In this video, I'll be talking about CSS thumbnail image. Okay, to do that, let's first of all create our HTML structure. Okay, then inside our body elements, let's create a image element, which is img. Then looking at my file here, I have a image folder inside our project folder. So inside the image folder, I have two image files here. Okay, so that's it. So let's access those image through source. I want to use only one image for this. Okay, to add that image, you use dots backward slash to have access to the files inside your or the contents of your project, uh, everything inside your project folder. Then locate where your image is. So my image is inside this image folder. Then I'm looking for this. I'll make use of this laptop. Okay, laptop.jpg. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, you can see the laptop. Okay, now you can add alternative if you want, but that is not necessary in this tutorial. Then this is my external CSS file, which I will need to link to this my HTML. So to do that, I will say link. Then you link it the way you add image to your image element, dot backward slash. Then I will go to this is my CSS folder. Inside the CSS folder, I have my CSS file, which is this file that is open here. So I will now click my CSS folder. Inside it, I have this my file style.css. Okay, so it's now connected. So we now write our CSS file. We now write our CSS code. Okay, so we use a element selector because we have only one image. So let's use img. Then open a declaration block. Inside this block, to make this image look like a thumbnail, we use border radius padding. We did this threading that we use, and it will look like a thumbnail. Okay, so let's start with border. Let me say border. Let me say border. Let me give it 2 pixels. 2 pixel. Let me give it solid. Let me say solid. Okay, solid. Okay, I've added that to it. Okay, let me forget about color for now. I will still add it if it's necessary. Then let me add border radius. Although it's not that, but let me just add it. Border radius. Inside this border radius, let me just add, let's say 5 pixels. 5 px. Okay, let's see how is okay. It is the edge. The edge is just curved a bit. That is what this 5% does. Okay. Then the next I want to do, I want to add padding to it. Padding. I want to add it. Let me say 4 pixels. Let me see how it looks like. Yeah, you can see it looks like a thumbnail. You can see it look like a thumbnail. Let me just make it. Let me make this 5. Let me see how it looks like. Yeah, you can see how it looks like. Looks like exactly thumbnail. But let me add some, maybe add some color. Let me just let me use hexadecimal color. Let me say shift hash dd d. Okay, you see how the outside color you see how it looks like. Let me open the image. You see it looks like thumbnail. You can see with this padding, this 5 pixel padding and this border, and with the color of the border, it looks like a thumbnail. So this is how we do a CSS thumbnail image. There may be other ways developers can do this, but this way I did my own. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.